Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be doing a demo slash review, not really a review, more of a demo on the Shayla X Colourpop collaboration. I'm so happy that she collabed with them. What can I say? I'm a huge fan of Shayla, and this whole collection was just so exciting. Like I think I was more excited than she was for this collaboration, and she's the one who did it. Love it. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and stop talking, and I'm gonna do my eyes on camera, and then I'm gonna show you guys the other stuff. I'm gonna skip the face routine because I'm actually in a rush. I'm on my way to church. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So this is the look. As far as the eyes, I haven't done my cheeks yet or my highlight, but yes, you guys, this is the eyes. Let's go ahead and do the rest of my face. So I'm gonna do my cheeks, and I'm gonna use both highlighters. So I'm gonna do Pose on one side and then Boom In on the other side so that I can kind of see what they look like. And then because I am going somewhere, I'm actually on my way to church. Have about an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and mix them together. And for the brush that I'm gonna be using, I'm just gonna use the Morphe M501 brush to apply this highlighter on. So I'm gonna start off with Booming because I think that was one I was the most excited for. So yeah. It's a yes. So I love this color. Now, is it high shine like blinding like the Artist Couture highlighters or so? Not necessarily, but I feel like with setting spray, you can definitely build up the color. And I feel like that's a good thing because not everybody likes a blinding highlight. So I feel like it's good that you start off kind of slow and you can build it up to what you like. Alrighty, on this side, I'm gonna do Pose. Oh, I got way too much. Hold up. Okay. I take what I said back. Okay, I think with this side, I don't think I grabbed enough because this definitely just kind of blindsided me. Oh my. I don't know, I was really excited for Boomin', but I really like Pose. But yeah, these highlighters are on point. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it, put some blush on, and then I'm gonna show you guys the lips because I got everything in the collection. So far, I'm really feeling this collection. This eye look is booming, as Shayla would say. So I'm going to be trying on all three lipsticks for you guys. I'm gonna start off with Come On Sis. Where's that at? Yeah, Come On Sis, because I don't plan on wearing that one today. So it looked like this, and I've never tried their Luxe lipsticks, and I don't know what was wrong with me. Like, these are amazing, and the packaging is to die for, and the quality of the packaging, like, it feels good. So yeah. So this is Come On Sis. This is very pretty. I don't like it with this look. It looks fine, like on camera it looks fine, but I don't know. I'm not a fan of it with this look. I personally just got this lipstick just because I wanted everything in her collection. I'm not usually drawn to colors like this. I really kind of like a nudie gloss lip, you guys know me. But yeah, it's a very pretty color and the formula is amazing and it's amazing pigmentation. All right, for the next ones, I for sure have to wear a lip liner with these. So I'm gonna be using the NYX lip liner in Espresso. One of my favorite lip liners. Actually, it is my favorite lip liner. Yeah. All right, I had to get this color just because of the name alone in itself. It's ooh, and if you're a big Shayla follower or fan, like you already know that is her like saying, and I find myself saying it sometimes, and you know, you might catch yourself saying it like ooh. So it's this really pretty peachy color. And it looks like this. So gorgeous. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oof. No, I for sure know I want to wear Quickie today. So this one's pretty though. This is really pretty. This is pretty. All right, so we're gonna apply Quickie on. Yes, yes. And then I'm gonna top it off with her lip gloss, Neat Freak. Oh my gosh. Yes. And let me just go ahead and spray my face. I'm gonna be using the Ciate London Dewy Spritz. So you just shake it up. Shake it up. And get all that stuff mixed in there. Just go ahead and spray the face. Yes. All I can say is good things about this collection. I think Shayla did amazing with this. I am a huge fan of Shayla. So when I saw that she was coming out with this collaboration, I'm like, I need it. I need it. I needed all of it. I bought every single thing and I loved every single thing. The lipsticks are amazing. I think my favorite thing in this whole collection would actually be Quickie lipstick and Ooh lipstick and the gloss. They're probably my favorite out of everything, which I'm surprised because I thought I would be more of a fan of like the highlighters and the palettes, which those are just amazing. But if I had to pick a favorite, it's definitely those three. And this whole line will be restocking May 11th because it's currently sold out. And I plan on buying a backup of Ooh, Quickie lipstick and the gloss because I love it so much and I see myself running through those pretty quickly. So I want to buy backups of those. The highlighters, I love them. They are good. I feel like for $7 you definitely you get something good for that price. I can say that. The eyeshadow palette, my God. I think Colourpop is doing something different because I've tried their other eyeshadow palettes and their mattes are always good, but their shimmers were always like powdery in a way. Like it was high shine when you swatched it, but like it didn't go on as smoothly, and I found that I didn't have any troubles with this palette applying it on. So I love the palette. I just love everything about this collection because I'm such a huge fan of hers, and all of the catchphrases that she's naming things, like it's sentimental because you have that YouTuber, that person that you really you follow heavily, and when you see them create stuff and it's like, oh my gosh, I get what you're doing there because I know I'm part of the family. I'm part of the Shay Squad or whatever, I'm part of it. So I'm a huge fan of hers, love her. I think I own every collaboration she's ever done. This is amazing. She did amazing. I love it. And Shayla, congratulations. And you go, girl. Go, best friend. Like in my mind, we're really best friends. Like we're really best friends. So yeah, you go, best friend. Love you. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also, I know YouTube's been doing some funny things, so like when you post, like it might not notify you. So just go ahead and hit that bell icon. That way, when I do upload, you know that I've uploaded. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and until next time, bye.